Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. So it's another special treat, fresh from Myrtle Beach today, guys. So if you look back at a couple videos, there was this Africa Twin, a 2018. It was 1,000cc, really sweet bike. Had the red, white, and blue. I really like that bike. Man, I could not get that out of my head. We made that video, and we were doing the collab with Martin over at Myrtle Beach Motorsports Salvage. And Martin sent me a message today, and the helicopter pilot that he works with bought the bike. So we got a quick little interview with the pilot, and got a cold start on the bike. And man, it is awesome. And I see on our way home, actually, we saw there's a red one right near the Pennsylvania border that's for sale, and it's pretty cool. Almost the same price. So gonna just keep looking to see if there's any deals out our way. And anyways, I'm gonna transfer you over here to Myrtle Beach. This was just taken a few moments ago. And Martin's gonna give us the quick walk around of the bike running. So we'll catch you guys later.
That was a pretty cool machine.
Absolutely. Good job done.
What bike did you have last time?
I went from a Royal Enfield Himalayan to this. The Himalayan was nice. I loved it. It was cheap, super economical, good gas mileage, but just couldn't do long distances as well as this can.
Some of my Indian friends had those. Where do you make them over there?
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're nice. I mean, that thing was bulletproof for the treatment that I gave it. But
That nice retro look. I like the 1980s colors on this one.
yeah.
I had an XR250,
Yep.
200 with the same color pattern.
Yep. Pretty similar.
Red,
Yeah,
white,
this
and blue.
was their, whatever they call it, the heritage paint job or whatever.
Yep.
It was super.
Safety first. These drivers in Myrtle Beach
Oh yeah, you gotta be careful.
always gear up.
Definitely a lot less pleasant in the summer, but it cools off as soon as you're going.
Oh yeah, time you're moving,
Oh, yeah,
you're
it's
cooling
not
off.
too bad.